Hey friends, if you wish to install optional features on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, it's not very difficult even though it seems to be. Here's the thing. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select optional features in the right pane. Now I'll tell you why these features are important. For example, the steps recorder, it is not required in the system and it is not a compulsory application. Even a lot of compulsory applications like Notepad can be removed, but Windows believes that you need them. However, applications which are in this list used to be in the list. Now they have been removed. They are not a part of Windows anymore. But if you wish, you can install them and use them, though it will require extra space. Again, one other example is Windows Media Player Legacy. A lot of users love it and they do not like the newer Windows Media Player, but they love the legacy one for some reason. Maybe it's interface or something. So they can install it from this optional features list. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.